You want to know the 5 signs that you should look out for when it's time for you to right size your home? Well, here we go. The first sign is, does the house feel quiet right now? Have the kids gone? Or are there rooms in the house currently that you no longer even go into or use? That may be a sign. Number 2, do you feel overwhelmed with the upkeep? So instead of looking at that yard as spring starts to approach and you get joy of wanting to plant your next set of flowers, you look at it with dread. Or during the winter time, if your seasons are changing, you then look out and say, look at all that snow that I need to now shovel. That's number 2. That's a sign when maintenance becomes a chore or a burden. Number 3, your needs have changed. What worked for you, for example, 10 years ago, doesn't even fit or work for you now. The stairs going up are bothersome. Or maybe just getting down the stairs outside of the house is bothersome. Your needs have changed. What worked for you 10 years ago is not working now. That's also a sign that possibly it may be time for you to start thinking about what we said at the top of right sizing. 4, you're craving freedom. Freedom from the chores of taking care of a home. You want to travel, but the financial burden of taking care of a house is too much, or it allows you not to have the freedom to do other things. It may be time for you to right size to give you that freedom back to travel. Or you're concerned about locking up a home. You may want a different style home that takes less upkeep to do the traveling. And then 5, one of the most important ones. You feel it in your gut that you're ready and time for a change, that maybe you want to move closer to family, closer to friends, or just a change in general. These are 5 signs that it may be time for you to right size. If you have any questions or would like to explore right sizing further, you can always feel free to give me a call, text, or email, because I'm always happy to help.